Are you teaching mathematics? Do you want to make easy graphing calculations? Then this video is for you. Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In this video, I'm going to explore a web tool called Desmos. Desmos is a graphing calculator where using this you can plot variety of different equations from lines to parabolas and much more. The uses of Desmos are unlimited. Let's explore this website. First of all, you have to log on to desmos.com and do your regular sign up procedure. Once you are done, you can see your account information here. Okay, let's explore the website. You can see this that you can able to log in as a teacher or a student. A teacher can able to create activities, and then those activities can be shared with the student with the class code, and the students can able to participate, and he can submit the answers and the teacher can evaluate it. Yeah, fine. Alright, I'm gonna explore this math tool. You can see this. These are all the options available with this website: graphing calculator, scientific calculator, 4-function calculator. You can test practices, and geometry tool is also available. Let's get into this graphing calculator. You can see there is a graph, and there are n number of predefined set of graphs are given here, like parabolas, and you can click on this, click on open graph, and you can explore it. This is the equation, and you can input the values also, and you can adjust this slider so that the parabola will get adjusted, and then the student can analyze it easily like this. Yes, and there are something like polar rows, so the same thing, equation should be passed here and input values should be entered here, and the slider can be adjusted so that you can see the different shapes which you are getting and all. So this is about graphical calculations, and there are n number of things you can try with this. Let's get into this scientific calculator, and this is the scientific calculator. You can use it online, and there is a 4-function calculator also, and the next one is geometry, where you can draw the required shapes easily, circle or a polygon or anything. And if you want to use more number of tools like compass, midpoint, and everything can be used over here. And even here there are some predefined set: equilateral, triangle, perpendicular, bisector, and much more. You can click this, click on open construction, and you can explore this. And the next thing is, as a teacher, if you want to check the list of available concepts, you can search over here. So these are the topics like functions, linear system, linear functions, and much more, quadratic functions and all. I have selected linear system, so you can see that 8 activities are there. You can click on anything, and each activity is for like 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on the activity, and you can add this one to your collections, and then this task will be assigned to the students also. For instance, I'm going to click this one. Alright, and there is 8 activities in this, and the teacher has code. Click on this, the code will get generated, and then this code can be shared with the student. The student will log in with this class code, and then he will follow all the activities, and then he will submit the answers. Okay, so this is the student preview. You can go with a predefined set of questions, or you can own questions. I'm going to show you a question sample. So there is something like play the video to see some graph. Click on this,
now versus Julio,
and the graph is happening over here. One is happening very fast and one is happening very slow, so according to this. So, and then the student have to describe why it is happening and all, how it is happening. And there are something like tables, equations they can plot, and these are all the things which is very useful for the students, and they will enjoy learning mathematics. Hope you like this tool, and this tool is for free, and even applications are available. I have given the link in the description box. You can install the applications for Android and iOS. Explore the tool and let me know your experiences. Thank you.